You know, I once heard someone say community is much more than belonging to something. It's about doing something together. That makes belonging matter. I know Masjid presidents have a number of challenges they need to deal with, but I never thought I'd be dealing with this so soon. Alhamdulillah, it's a good thing. Right now we're in one of the most exciting times as we extend the Masjid that you all know and love.
I'm pretty sure that most people in England have been to our humble and welcoming Jamaat. So I won't go into all the particulars of why this project is much needed. All the details can be found on our website. So please do make sure you have a look.
This project will inshallah deliver an overflow facility during busy periods, remove noise pollution in the main hall, an area for members to socialize outside the main hall, an open space desk area for the management committee, toilet area further away from the main hall and prayer room, a newer and bigger AV room, a bigger ladies hall, a safe place for the children between ladies entrance and all Al-Zahra Center.
And there's more. On the second floor of the Al-Zahra Center, we will have the Abu Fadl gym, which will host its own showers and lockers for ladies and gents. We're also building an amazing chill-out zone for all our youth, which will be kitted out with everything we need. I mean, for me, this project is all about making the mosque a one-stop shop. I mean, when the Prophet had his mosque in Medina, it wasn't just about learning, it was meant to be a one-stop shop for everyone to come and do as they please and have everything in that place. So they don't need to go elsewhere to find other enjoyment. They can find it all at the place of not just worship, but fun as well.
We've received some amazing support from World Federation and COAGE, and now we need your help. So far we have raised £330,000 and we need only £520,000 more.
We could sit here all day and tell you the benefits of you donating. I could say that those who spend in the way of Allah is just like a grain that produces 7 ears, each ear having 100 grains. And Allah multiplies the reward for whom He wills. But I won't. We all know that hadith. Instead, I want to show you what this project means for our community, for your community.
Can't wait to have a safe and clean place to hang out with my friends and beat them at FIFA.
I think this is going to be so much fun because I can play with my friends in the game room.
It'll give the girls and ladies of our community a space where they can feel comfortable and safe, allowing them to be fitter and healthier.
Now there's 2 ways to support our project. Number 1 is that you contribute towards it. And number 2, buy a raffle ticket. You know, the raffle prizes are absolutely amazing. Top prize, 2 ziyarat tickets to Imam Husayn. Second prize, a £5,000 kitchen voucher. We've got so many other prizes. For further information, do contact myself or simply go to our website. Just think about it this way. What would Hazrat Abbas say if he knew that you donated in his name?